Hello everyone, our topic is Nature Positive Food Systems, a way to make food production work with nature. Food systems create about one-third of global emissions. In Australia, drought, soil loss, and food waste are growing problems. The system is productive but not sustainable. That's why we need to change from industrial farming to nature-based practices. But this is a wicked problem, complex and connected. The food system links climate, economic, culture, and policies. Facing one part often creates new problems. So it's not one issue, but a self-reinforcing system shaped by human behavior. Using the iceberg model, we found surface problems like food waste and drought, and the deeper causes, profit-driven markets, and beliefs that nature is endless. Through the 5 whys, we found that the root cause is not technology, but a cultural mindset that separates humans from nature. Our question is, how might we help people see the hidden connection between food choices and the planet's healthy? We focus on the 4 issues: environment, inequalities, mindsets, and systems awareness. Next steps, we will explore how emissions design can make the hidden connections visible and inspires action.
Food systems play a vital role in achieving the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 2 focuses on ending hunger, while SDG 12 advocates for responsible consumption. Our food system contributes to SDG 13 and SDG 15 by resourcing ecosystems, reducing emissions, and enhancing biodiversity. Sustainable food systems are crucial to creating a more balanced and harmonious world. The first case study is from Southern Australia. While traditional farming faces challenges such as soil degradation and low fertility, particularly in arid regions, a regenerative farming approach is being implemented to improve soil health, enhance water retention, and increase biodiversity. Practicals such as a crop rotation, reducing the use of chemicals, and fostering soil life at the core of the approach. Not only does this method restore the land, but it also builds long-term resilience in the farming system, lending the better environmental and economic outcomes. The second case is from Sikkim, a region in the Himalayas of India, which has pioneered the transition to 100% organic farming. Historically, the region faced ecological issues due to the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. In 2003, the government initiated a transformation to economic harmful chemicals and shift to organic practicals. This transition has improved soil health, boosted biodiversity, and provided farmers with better market opportunities, making Sikkim a global leader in sustainable agriculture. The final case involves circular agriculture, an approach that integrates crop production, nutrient recycling, and water reuse into global system. This method reduces reliance on chemical fertilizers, restores soil fertility, and strengthens resilience to climate change. By minimizing inputs and promoting ecological restoration, circular agriculture addresses both food security and environmental challenges, demonstrating how integrated systems can pave the way for a more sustainable future.
In our team, we studied the environment, production, consumption, and awareness. We met many times to share ideas and talk about our research. These talks help us understand the topic better and improve our design. By using system thinking and visual storytelling, we built one clear design plan that connects our ideas. We used 3 main ways in our research. First, we look at case studies from Australia and India. We use the system thinking to find problems in food systems that are not sustainable. Lastly, we use the stories and visuals to help people feel the link between food and nature. In our project, we look at how different groups shape the food system. Farmers and producers care for the land and grow the food. Governments set rules to protect farming and the environment. Scientists share ideas and data to help people learn. When we see all the groups together, we understand how the system works. This is Gloria. She is an international student living in Melbourne. She tries to eat healthy, but finds it hard to know what's truly sustainable. She often orders takeout between classes and learns from social media. Because she's busy, she chooses fast food and sometimes wastes food. She wants a fun and easy way to learn about sustainability. Our design helps people see the link between food, nature, and well-being. We use stories and simple visuals to show how everyday food choices affect the environment. We also want people to feel that sustainability is not hard. It can be personal, emotional, and easy to start.
Now, we move on to the design part. We aim to make the implicit connection between food consumption and natural system explicit through an engaging and immersive experience, combining audiovisual elements and interaction. We want people to understand the environmental impact of their choices and focus on the sustainability of the underlying natural food systems. Based on preliminary research, we proposed the Food and Nature Systems Interactive Experience scheme, combining natural food systems with AR devices. Using the familiar shopping scenario, we aim to make complex issues like food safety and climate change easier to understand, and we enhance engagement through systems thinking, immersive experience, and operational decision making, allowing people to personally experience the environmental impact of their choices. And why this design? Because many people are unclear about the connection between climate change, natural food systems, and their own consumption. Shopping combined with an immersive experience allows people to actively participate, learn, and understand the systemic connection between humans and nature. The core values of this design are threefold. First, to enhance awareness, and second, to evoke resonance, and third, to drive decision making. There are our target users and user analysis. Our target users fall into two categories. One is young consumers who need intuitive information on environmental costs and enjoy fun interactions and new technologies. And the other is middle-aged people responsible for family shopping who are more concerned about their children's health and food quality, value brand trust, and want to educate their children about environmental protection. And this design involves three key stakeholders. It's food brands, supermarkets, and the government. These three are interconnected. Our design aims to use immersive AR technology to visualize the ecological impact of food throughout its entire life cycle, from production and packaging to disposal. This helps consumers understand the impact when shopping, choose more sustainable options, and reduce waste and over-purchasing by presenting the processing steps. Finally, it aims to drive behavior change and promote sustainable consumption from an emotional and cognitive perspective. We designed three core gameplay elements. The first is visualizing resource costs. The second is a timeline setting, using comparisons to encourage people to cherish food and reflect on environmentally friendly behaviors. And the third gameplay mode is more interactive. The system will simulate environmental changes based on the environmental costs accumulated during shopping, triggering visual and auditory disaster effects, allowing everyone to intuitively feel the real impact of their choices on the environment and deepen their understanding of sustainable consumption.